Hello everyone, my name is Maria and today I'm going to be talking about memory storage and memory retrieval from the textbook Exploring Psychology, Chapter 8. There is actually 3 stages of memory, which include encoding, storage, and retrieval. When information or an event is encoded, it is later stored and we are able to retrieve that particular information or event. There is actually different areas in the brain that are also involved in the process of memory storage. The prefrontal cortex. The purpose of the prefrontal cortex is to store short-term memories. Short-term memories store only a small amount of information. The neocortex. The neocortex serves as an information processor. It extracts information from explicit memories stored in the hippocampus to create reason and logic. The amygdala. It's one of the most important parts of the brain which serve for the memory function. Amygdala is also known to create sentimental and emotional responses, which are then linked to the memories. The hippocampus. The hippocampus is crucial for the creation of long-term memories and for short-term memory storage. If the hippocampus gets damaged or surgically removed, the brain becomes incapable of forming new memories and storing them. Age also determines the way we store information. For example, as children grow, the hippocampus grows as well, enabling them to construct detailed memories. Now that we know how memory is stored, how do we retrieve it? There's actually many ways people retrieve memories, or how the brain retrieves memories. The first one is retrieval cues. In Chapter 8 from the textbook Exploring Psychology, it states memories are held in storage by a web of associations. Each piece of information is interconnected with others. When you encode into memory a target piece of information, such as the name of the person sitting next to you in class, you associate with other bits of information about your surroundings, mood, seating, and so on. These bits can serve as retrieval cues that can later use to access the information. Priming refers to how exposure to one stimulus triggers related concepts. For example, the word nurse is recognized more quickly following the word doctor and so on. Context-dependent memory. Context-dependent memory is when we remember information better when we attempt to recall it in the context in which we learned it. State-dependent memory. Our mood states provide an example of memory state dependence. Emotions that accompany good or bad events become retrieval cues. Lastly, the serial position. The serial position is the tendency of a person to recall the first and last items in a series best and middle items worst. For example, immediately after a presentation of 9 items word list, individuals with normal memory ability might recall about 70% of the first 3 words, 60% of the last 3 words, but only 40% in the middle 3 words. This is an example of a serial position effect. Hopefully this video helped you understand a little bit more about memory storage and memory retrieval. Thank you.